On the road.
We are on the road to Texas. We have drove about 3 hours. We still have about 19 hours and 41 minutes left. We stopped and got gas and got some Subway.
Motorcycle cover keeps coming off. I think I got one a little bit too big, like a large, but I got an extra large. So I guess that's just one of those things you gotta be on the road and learn as you go, you know what I mean? So we learned that one this trip. 2 more hours to go. We should have showed you our first stop, but we were hungry, so we got a little Subway and then filled up and then got back on the road. So from here on out, we're gonna show you all the stops we make and everything in between. We're almost to Needles, California, and that's right where like Arizona is. See you down the line.
We're here in Arizona getting gas. Gas is only $2.99 here. That's crazy.
Feeling that at the loves. Got love. Driving through Flagstaff right now. Been on the road for about 7 hours now. I think we still have like 1,000+ miles to go and like 16 hours. It's pretty nice though, driving through Flagstaff area. You see a lot of nice scenery, bunch of big trees. We came through like a bunch of red mountains and all that, bunch of beautiful stuff to see on the road. There's a lot of bikes on the road. I wish I would have rode the bike, but just with time wise with work and stuff like that, having to be back and on kind of like a time limit. On the bike, I'd have to take a few more days just to enjoy everything and not push for as many miles. In the truck, we could push a little bit more miles. But other than that, it's been a great ride. A little bit long. Traffic ain't been too bad though. Just kind of cruising through everything. The bike's been good. Still holding sturdy in the back. And me and Courtney still knocking miles down. On the way to Texas, here we come.
We're at Love's again, still in Arizona. We've drove about 500 miles. We stopped and got some souvenirs. Got this Steelers beanie and an Arizona magnet because we like to collect magnets on our trips. Pumping gas. We got about 500 miles down, 1,000 to go.
Making our way, making our way.
We are in New Mexico, stopping to get gas. I forgot to take a video at Albuquerque. Gas is only $2.59. That is insane. It's way too cold, so I am not getting out of the car. I'm waiting for Nick to bring the change back. But yeah, the drive's been good. I just wish he would have let us stop and get a hotel, but he wants to drive straight there, so that's what we're doing. We're here in Henderson, Texas.
On the way to dinner. We're gonna go find us some dinner for the night. There has been a good amount of bikes flowing through though, so that's good. Hopefully the turnout at Texas will be a good one. We've never been to the Texas one, so kind of nervous to see what it's like. But yeah, we're gonna go get some dinner. We'll show you when we get to the restaurant, and we'll tell you how it is. Food in Henderson. Put it on there.
Hey, ready?
I got the bacon.
1, 2, 3. Here's kind of hot. Do you put it in your mouth? Scoop mine a little. Kind of hot. It's necky. I didn't even get my oyster. That's pretty good. Alright, come on this side. Okay, come over here. Are you ready? You guys are doing it for us.
And you're straight. But we have
It's cute. Thank you guys.
Dynasty Ride. Like, where did y'all get this? What's the our friends?
Is that a new one?
25.